What is up, guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I'm Morgan, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications to see my videos every single week. So in today's vlog, I'm actually going to do a photo shoot. I have to get the train. 3 minutes I have to leave in. I have my makeup done, I have everything ready, I have my bag packed, and I'm ready to go. I actually need to grab my earpods out of my bag now that I think about it. It is raining outside, so I'm kind of concerned about that, but I don't know if I want to take an umbrella with me or not. I feel like I probably should just in case. It's not even raining right now. I don't know what I'm doing.
Completely. Do you have a favourite side of your face?
I don't believe so.
It's when you see the rest of the photos, like, definitely that side.
I take so many photos and I still just don't really.
Kind of. So it was basically, let's try front leg, and its arms are going with, like, the big step. One. Oh, that's super cool. That's actually quite cool. It's like power stance. Oh, that's kind of cool too. Literally, actually,
just standing up.
Stretching. It's like
Yeah, I'm more flexible than I thought I would be. Good.
I hate you, or like angry face.
I'm a nice person.
I swear, right? Okay, be nice now, and then like for half a second, one shot of click, grumpy and aggressive at me. Yeah, that's the one.
This is how cool.
2, 1. That's really cool. One more time.
Let's go.
3. It's like graceful. 3. That was way cool. Amazing.
I shocked myself. Okay,
Yeah, exactly the same one.
I keep hitting my head.
So many cameras in this room right now. Like, you got 5 cameras all capturing video of different angles and photographs. My thoughts are...
Don't go that way.
Yeah.
You want to do a photo as well?
Stay there. It's actually really nice.
Do it one more time, that one?
Yeah, can do it. That's gonna happen.
Okay,
I will do that. 3.
Yes, exactly that. You're dropping low.
Oh no, I still can't. It's
Alright,
because it's my dad's side.
That's a really nice
I was
one.
like, I know I can do this. Why is it not yet? I have to do the
It's
other
not
side.
bad.
The swim. Hey, so...
One more, please. 3.
Give a demonstration to the camera.
I will take a photo.
It's almost like if we go this way, I don't know what that looks like, but can you see like
Can you
back
put
and
your
shoulders? Shoulder blades, basically?
Your shoulders look really
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
Your shoulders
Okay.
look really
Because the light's over here, I'm trying to figure out.
Alright.
Do I just need to... Yeah.
Is it the back?
1, 2, 3. Yeah. That's way nicer.
This vlog continues on for another day. I think it's going to be a couple of days of my life now. But it'll be fun to continue on with it because I'm actually on my way to the beach. And if you couldn't tell, it's raining, which is all the fun of it because who needs to go to the beach when it's sunny? It's not uncommon to come to the beach in the rain.
Not at all. This
is completely normal.
We're not going to get any wet looks at all.
No, there is someone over there. Look, see, we're not the only person.
Yay!
Yay! Swimming! Sliving! It's a vibe. I kind of like it.
Hello! This is fun.
Go, dive in.
Oh. She kicks. Oh.
Into the water.
So very naked. Oh dear.
So you gonna jump off the wharf? Seagulls.
Fluffy bird. The aftermath.
They were very strange. Clear jelly things in the water. I still don't know if they were jellyfish.
Yeah, we don't know.
But they didn't sting us, so I guess it's okay. But they felt very uncomfortable.
And they like fell apart.
They did. You picked them up and they just...
And I wonder whether they've like stung us and we not want to
We
notice
just don't
until,
know.
Like, later tonight we will just simply be like,
Anybody knows what like clear like slug like things, jellyfish tentacles, but they're not jellyfish, but they could be jellyfish are? Please let me know.
This is me doing 5 turns.
Ice cream. We got ice cream and it's raining again. This is tiramisu gelato. That's
You
good.
really like tiramisu.
It's my favorite dessert. Yes, I do like tiramisu. You either say hi or you wave.
Hi.
It's cold. She's a dancer. Are you good there? Push. Have fun. Imagine if you tripped and fell.
Hilarious minute.
Yes. Okay, another day added onto this vlog, but today I am going ice skating and to a tramp park because they're both in the same place with Rosie and Georgia, and I am so excited because I love doing flips and I really want to try ice skating because I'm on ice skating TikTok, even though I'm going to be terrible at it. I'm going to try to film some little clips if I can, but it'll be really difficult to have my camera on the ice and at the tramp park, but that's okay. I will show you my mad skills. And OOTD, so my pink long sleeve top is from Cotton On Body and my leggings are just the black lines from Lululemon. I have this necklace that kind of looks like candy from Lovisa and a little hair clip as well, which I think is actually from Kmart. And of course a matching scrunchie.
Bye.
And that was a few fun days in my life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, turn on my post notifications, follow all of my social media, which will be in the description box down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video.